What's up, everybody? It's your boy Papa is cool, aka Semi-Pro Legendary Soul. Alright, and it's time to open up some more Beyblade. It's been a long time to open it up, so we're going to show you the new ones I got. So I got the first one, Ogre 004, and here's the second one, Kraken K4, and here's my third one, Cyclops C4 and Phoenix P4. Alright, so let's open up some. So here's Ogre 004, and so here's the energy layer, the force disc, and the performance disc. And here's the back of the box. I'm going to show you the app and the layer scheme. Okay, let's get this open. So here's
Yes, lasagna. Yes, lasagna.
so here's the energy layer of Ogre,
Oh, let me go.
and here's the performance disc. It's just like the Scalius version. Very. It's so cool. And here's the performance tip. Now I'm gonna open up Kraken K4. This one is squid star. So here's the energy layer, the performance tip, and the forge disc and performance tip. Here's the back of the box. It's so cool, and you show you. No, there. So let's open this up. So here is the set. So here's the Kraken. Here's the energy layer of Kraken. This one is a squid. The performance tip. The force tip. Performance tip. So we'll put this together. We also show you the dual pack of Cyclops C4 and Phoenix C4. So here's the void box. It's covered with 2 energy layers, 2 forges, and 2 performances. And here's the back of the box. They show you the slingshot mode. There. Okay, let's open this up. Here's the. Let's take this out. Ooh. Fine. Oh, here we go. And here's the. Who's that? Is it me or? Oh. Wait, you got it. Oh no. Uh-oh. It broke. Excuse me, I won't fix it. Here you go. Wait. So here's the energy layer, the performance, the forge disc, and now last but not least we got the Beyblade here, and so here's But here are the, wait. So here, I'll show you this. This Beyblade is off. This one, aka this one is Revive Phoenix, owned by Feed. Hold up. It's so hard to put on. And before we do the game, you must smash out. You know, we'll show you, and the giveaway is gonna be in the end of the video. And before we do, so I'm trying to fix it. So here, and now it's time to show you guys the gameplay. So okay, I'm going to